Hey, this is Tim Hansen. I'm a product marketing manager for TrackCare, Undercarriage, and GET here at CASE Construction. It's day 3 here at CONEXPO 2023. We're excited about demonstrating some of our new product showcases for dozers, excavators, but also TrackCare. It's providing our dealers a unique system to measure the wear rate and monitor undercarriage wear. The neatest thing about the whole thing is that it allows us to plan better and prevent those big issues from happening, but we can also take care of all makes machines. So if you have a mixed fleet, we can take care of those machines as well. So if you're looking for more, come see us here in the booth on the dozer side. Otherwise, visit us at CASE.com.